Imagine a tiny, unassuming spice sitting in your kitchen cabinet that could transform your health in ways you never thought possible. What if I told you that by simply adding 2 cloves to your daily routine, you could unlock a treasure trove of health benefits? From boosting your immune system to improving your sleep, this little powerhouse has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science is now catching up to its incredible potential. In this video, we'll dive deep into the amazing things that happen to your body when you eat 2 cloves every day. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be rushing to your spice rack to grab those cloves. Number 1. Supercharge your hair growth. Let's start with your hair. Cloves are packed with essential minerals like manganese, iron, and zinc, which are the building blocks for strong, healthy hair. These minerals help produce keratin, the protein that makes up your hair strands, leading to thicker, shinier, and more resilient locks. But that's not all. Cloves are also rich in vitamins like vitamin C and E. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, which strengthens your hair shafts, while vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your scalp from damage. Plus, cloves have antimicrobial properties that fight off fungal and bacterial infections, reducing dandruff and itchiness. And if you apply clove oil topically, it can improve blood circulation to your scalp, delivering vital nutrients to your hair follicles and promoting faster growth. Say goodbye to bad hair days. Number 2. Boost your immune system like a shield. In today's world, a strong immune system is your best defense. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants, which help fortify your body's natural defenses. They're especially high in vitamin C, which boosts the production of white blood cells, your body's frontline soldiers against infections. But the real star of the show is eugenol, a compound in cloves that has powerful antimicrobial properties. It fights off harmful bacteria and viruses, keeping you safe from common illnesses like colds, flu, and respiratory infections. Cloves also stimulate the production of T cells, which are like the special forces of your immune system, identifying and destroying infected cells. So, if you want to stay healthy year-round, cloves are your secret weapon. Number 3. Transform your oral health. Your mouth is the gateway to your overall health, and cloves are like a natural guardian for your teeth and gums. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, acts as a natural antiseptic, killing bacteria and preventing infections in your mouth. This helps reduce the risk of gum disease, tooth decay, and even bad breath. Cloves also have a numbing effect, making them a go-to remedy for toothaches and mouth sores. Their anti-inflammatory properties can soothe swollen gums and reduce tenderness. Whether you chew on a clove, use clove-infused mouthwash, or apply clove oil directly, your oral health will thank you. Number 4. Revitalize your digestive system. If you've ever struggled with bloating, gas, or indigestion, cloves might be the solution you've been looking for. They contain essential oils like eugenol, which relax the muscles in your digestive tract, easing discomfort and reducing inflammation. Cloves also stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently and absorb nutrients better. Their antimicrobial properties can balance your gut bacteria, making them effective for soothing stomach issues like nausea and even gastric ulcers. Whether you add cloves to your meals or sip on clove tea, your digestive system will feel lighter and happier. Number 5. Protect your precious eyes. Your eyes are one of your most vital senses, and cloves can help keep them healthy. Packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and flavonoids, cloves protect your eyes from oxidative stress, which can lead to vision problems. They also contain zinc, a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining eye health and protecting against UV damage. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves can reduce redness, dryness, and irritation, while also helping to prevent chronic conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Think of cloves as a natural shield for your eyes. Number 6. Balance your blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes or looking to prevent it, cloves are a game changer. They contain compounds that improve insulin sensitivity and help your body process glucose more efficiently. This means better blood sugar control and fewer spikes after meals. Studies have shown that cloves can lower fasting blood sugar levels and protect pancreatic cells, which are responsible for producing insulin. By slowing down the release of glucose into your bloodstream, cloves help maintain stable blood sugar levels, making them a valuable addition to your diet. Number 7. Breathe easier with respiratory support. If you've ever struggled with a stubborn cough or congestion, cloves can be your best friend. They act as a natural expectorant, loosening mucus and clearing your airways, making them ideal for conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and COPD. Cloves also have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that fight respiratory infections and reduce inflammation in your lungs. Inhaling clove oil or using it in steam inhalations can provide instant relief from coughs, sore throats, and congestion. Breathe easy with cloves by your side. Number 8. Sharpen your brain and boost mental clarity. Your brain is your most powerful asset, and cloves can help keep it sharp. They're loaded with antioxidants that protect your brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to cognitive decline. Compounds like eugenol in cloves support brain cell growth and may improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. Cloves also help prevent the formation of amyloid plaques, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. Plus, their mood-enhancing properties can reduce stress and anxiety, promoting mental well-being. Think of cloves as brain food. Number 9. Detoxify your body naturally. In a world full of toxins, your body needs all the help it can get to stay clean and healthy. Cloves support your liver, the body's primary detox organ, by promoting the production of enzymes that break down and remove toxins. They also have diuretic properties, helping your body flush out waste through urine. Additionally, cloves can eliminate harmful bacteria and parasites from your gut, creating a healthier digestive environment. By supporting your body's natural detox processes, cloves help you feel lighter and more energized. Number 10. Sleep like a baby. Struggling with sleepless nights? Cloves might be the natural remedy you need. They have calming properties that soothe your nervous system, reduce anxiety, and promote relaxation. Cloves also stimulate the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Their magnesium content further enhances relaxation, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Whether you sip on clove tea or inhale its soothing aroma, cloves can help you achieve the restful sleep you deserve. Cloves are more than just a spice. They're a natural powerhouse that can transform your health in countless ways. From boosting your immune system to improving your sleep, the benefits of eating just 2 cloves a day are truly remarkable. But remember, while cloves are amazing, they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. So, what are you waiting for? Grab those cloves and start reaping the benefits today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more life-changing health tips. Stay informed, stay healthy, and take care of your body. It's the only one you've got.